The zero-tolerance policy is gone, but the damage remains from one of the Trump administration's most controversial and widely condemned immigration actions, the deliberate separation of children from their parents at the border.
We have impacted, in a way that I think we will not fully understand, an entire generation of children, thousands of them, and there is no clear remedy right now for that.
At a minimum, more than 5,500 children were separated from their parents beginning in 2017. Audio recordings of children crying emerged and helped lead to a public outcry and the hasty abandonment of the policy. But approximately 600 children still have not been reunited, according to a lawsuit filed by the American Civil Liberties Union.
I think it really was a matter of they just didn't care. All they cared about is taking the children away, put no plan in place to track the children, didn't even think about the fact that the families would someday need to be reunited.
In most cases, parents were deported to their home countries in Mexico or Central America, and the children put into foster care. Some of the younger kids have forgotten their parents as the years passed by. Others are deeply traumatized.
One of the things we're seeing is that the children are so angry and resentful at their parents, asking their parents, "Didn't you love me enough to keep me? Why didn't you stop them from taking me away?"
The family separation policy was deliberately planned to deter migrants.
If you are smuggling a child, then we will prosecute you. And that child may be separated from you as required by law.
A Department of Homeland Security Inspector General's report found the Border Patrol and immigration officials were unprepared for the zero-tolerance policy and kept unreliable and incomplete data on children and parents. Immigration advocates hope President Joe Biden's task force on family separations succeeds in reuniting the remaining parents and children. But they say those families deserve more.
Give them permission to come to the United States, to rejoin their children in the United States, and then to give them legal status and create some type of restitution fund.
Advocates also want a full investigation and strict policies to ensure that the cruelty at the border never happens again. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.